Hey guys, it's Mark. I really love using Video Speed Controller. You can download the extension here in the Chrome store. What it allows you to do is adjust the speed for the videos that you're watching. So if you're watching something educational and it's really slow, you can speed up that speed. You can also set your default speed. What you do is you go up to Video Speed Controller right here. You go to Settings, and then you can set what your preferred speed is, and it's set to a hotkey, G. So whenever you're at a video, if it's going too fast, you can tweak it down, increase and decrease speed. So just to give you an example of that, I'm going to go to YouTube and search for a how-to video. So you might look up how to make bread, for example. And when you find that video and you click on it, you'll see up here it's at 1x speed. So if I press G, it's going to speed it up to 2.5x. If I press G again, it goes back to 1. And remember, you've got different controls that you're allowed to do with your preferred settings. So if you wanted to decrease or increase the speed, it's S or D. So if I'm pressing S, it's decreasing the speed. You can just see that up here in this corner. Or you can manually increase and decrease it. So if I press G, it's going back up to 2.5x speed. And then if I want to increase the speed further, I can press D. So what I really recommend is start off at like 1.5x if you're new, and then go up to 2x. And even though 2x is going to be really hard to follow initially, over time your brain is just going to adapt to it, and you'll be able to absorb the information and actually understand it the more that you listen to it. So it's kind of a weird effect, but it definitely helps you get through content much faster. And one of the things that I do is sometimes I'll listen to an audiobook on my phone. That you can't use the video speed controller on, but you can use YouTube's kind of settings here. I noticed they added basically a 1.7x. So they added this 1.7x speed, which is great. So that allows you to do it if you're kind of listening to YouTube on your phone. So hopefully this has been helpful, and let me know what you think.